Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Gold Mask Tetra fish in Fish Eat Roblox. So the Gold Mask Tetra is one of the most epic tire fish in the Fish Eat new location, the underwater city. And in here, I'm going to show you the secret spots and also the perfect bait to make one bite. So as for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait, and for the rod, I'm using the element rod in here. And for the location, I got two favorite spots. The first one, you can fish up here near the entrance. You can just go up here. That's the first location. And as for the second one, you can go here and up the stairs, turn right, and this is my favorite and next favorite locations. So try your luck to get the Gold Mask Tetra. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.